Hello and welcome to our online classes. Today we'll be solving a very interesting issue which I was facing for 2 days. And as you can see, this my video is here. And in this video,
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the
I
coolest.
cannot add a background sound. And let me just show you how we can solve this problem. As you can see, this background sound cannot be added, so that makes the video very dull when the viewers or students view it. So here's the solution. You can go to the languages, and also it's a very long process, but you need to delete all the languages. And don't worry, it will not delete your audio, but yeah, if you have other dubbed languages, that might be deleted. So this is only for people who are actually recording them in one particular language. So you have to keep on deleting this. So as you can see, all the languages are deleted, and you can actually refresh this page. And since you don't have, now you can go back to editor. Now as you can see, audio, if it does not come, you have to refresh it and then it will come again. So here I'm adding the audio, and I'll show you. 15-minute video. See. Yeah, it's a 2.5-minute video, so I can add. So I'm just adding. Typing that icon. Okay, this will serve. So I'm just adding it, and since I have an audio there, so I'm reducing the mix level to a little bit low. Now you can hear it. See.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the coolest interstellar adventure ever, Spaceship Trivia. This isn't just a game, it's a cosmic battle of brain.
So this is how you can actually solve the problem, but it may or may not work for the dubbed videos. Yeah, and if you'd like to follow me, I make educational content. You can follow the channel, and if I ever get any problems, I will actually make the solution on it. Thank you.